Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace all these gaskets that you see right here. This one is coming from the group head right here. These ones are coming from the piston right here. Group head as well, and side glass itself, and other gaskets around. So yeah, that's all what we did. We did clean everything around here on the group head, replace side glass, clean around. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam. Mm-hmm. 1 ounce of espresso, exactly what this machine delivers. As you notice, the shot went to one of the spouts instead of the other one, and that's because I tampered on that angle. So that was by my bad tampering. So there you have it. Great espresso coming out of this machine. Fine, and now we can test the steamer. And as you can see, steam is working excellent. Great pressure coming out of this machine. Working perfectly. Thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.